Good morning, Mopar Nation. Florida 392, Daytona here from sunny Tampa, Florida. It's about 85 degrees a day, ridiculous. But anyway, did a couple mods the last couple weeks with all the staying indoors, so trying to keep 6 feet away from people. So we did the mods ourselves in the shop. A couple things I did. Well, before all this crap that's going on, I got some 10.5-inch brass monkey rims in the rear, and I went with a set of 305s instead of the 9.5-inch rim with 295s. I still have the 9.5-inch rim with 275s up front. So I have 275s up front with 305s in the rear. The two really good mods I did. Well, the car's been straight pipe for a while. Loud and raspy. I like the loudness, but I didn't really like the raspy part. So I did a little research, went online, and I found, you guys have probably heard of them, Blackwidow mufflers, performance exhaust. And I went with the 10-inch Widowmaker, 3-inch in, 3-inch out. It's kind of a canister type muffler. And I put them in the rears as resonators. You can put them in the middle if you want, but I chose the rear for drone. But they are pretty freaking awesome. Again, it's the Blackwidow Widowmaker 10-inch. They're about $100 a piece. I think they got some sales going on now online, maybe even cheaper. I'll get on the car in a minute and show you what they look like. Also, I went ahead and got the Active Exhaust Delete kit, and I found a company called Chaos Motorsports online. And their product is unbelievable. It took me like 20 minutes to do it. And it looks just like the OEM kit under there. And again, it's just a piece of cake to install. It's Chaos Motorsports. Check them out. Keeping the valves open, I think it should be that way all the time for these Hemis. It just sounds so much better. But it's up to you what your taste is. So I'll go in the car and show you one of the mufflers in the rear. All right, so here's one of the Widowmakers, 10-inch long, from here to here. And these things come on it. I guess it's something they do from the factory. Maybe that's why it looks like a Blackwidow spider or something. But again, it's straight piped. Well, no mid mufflers all the way back. And I put these bad boys on the rear. And it sounds incredible. I've been driving around for a while, so I'll give you a kind of a warm start, and I'll try to rev it up by myself today, so I don't have a camera guy to hold it for me. But again, it sounds so much better. Being straight piped all the way through, it kind of had at idle, it just didn't have a really good rumble. So I got these and I'm very happy. So I'll give you a start up here. Okay, so it's been sitting for about 15 minutes, so we'll see what it sounds like. I think that sounds much better than just the straight piped out. Straight pipe kind of had like once it idled for a few minutes, just didn't really have a deep rumble. And again, this is with the valves all the way open with that kit. Let me get in and see if I can floor it a few times for you. Here we go. think that sounds pretty good. Leave your opinions if you like it, if you don't like it. Thank you.